Is your store ready to boost sales on Christmas? Hey, my name is Robert, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 designs which you definitely have to have in your store before Christmas season. Okay, let me just share with you 3 designs which definitely should be in your store before Christmas season. So I have created a list of these designs and names with the designs which you should have. So the first one is Christmas pattern. Second one will be embroidered Christmas pattern or anything embroidered and Christmas. And third should be stained glass Christmas. And over here you can write any name like tree, gifts, doesn't matter. It's up to you, just that it has to be related to Christmas. So let's go through Midjourney, which is my AI tool, which I'm using on a daily basis. And I suggest to you to use it as well. So over here I've been exploring for designs by just typing them inside here in the search. So what you can do here, you can just type in Christmas pattern and you're gonna get thousands of designs of Christmas pattern. And basically from here, what you can do, you can take the designs from here if you want to, just save them to your computer. For example, this type of pattern design will definitely sell if you're gonna use the right keywords for it. And you can save the designs right to your computer, or if you want to, you can generate your own designs. For example, if I would like to generate a MacBook case, I would write in AR aspect ratio 4:1:0, and that's it. And I would hit enter, and the design will be ready in like a few seconds. So basically from here, there's a lot of designs. So what I want you to tell you, these type of designs with Christmas trees, with Santa and some snowmans, with some decorations, with some gingerbread, all of these designs mostly will sell if you will use the right keywords. And always when you open up a design, take a look. For example, the Christmas man has 2 eyes and a mouth and so on, so we would look properly. Otherwise there is a risk that you're gonna add an image which doesn't look good. So if I go down to create over here, I can see all the designs that I have generated. So basically these are embroidered designs, which I can use any of those. These will be definitely selling this season. Then here are more embroidered designs. These are pattern ones, and these are stained glass designs, which one of these definitely I can use. So basically what you have to do, you have to go to explore, you have to write in one of these keywords and create at least 5 designs with each of these theme, and definitely use Alura or any other research tool to find the best keywords for your listings, and I'm more than sure that you're gonna sell them. And one more thing which I can suggest you, log into alerioprint system, go to course section and check how you can create with 1 design, 2 keywords, 5 or more products. Over here is a video where I explain how to generate more than 1 product with just 1 image and 2 keywords. And you should definitely use that in your store. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. If you like content like this, hit the bell notification and subscribe to this channel. If you're new to print on demand, then follow our course inside the alerioprint system and get a free access to free Etsy beginner course. See you inside.